Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on moving contacts from your phone to your SIM on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from your home screen to get to your Apps screen. Open up the Contacts app. Tap the three horizontal lines button in the top left of Contacts. Select Manage Contacts from the menu that appears. On the Manage Contacts page, tap Move Contacts. On Step 1, tap on Phone. Now you can tap to select contacts individually, or you can tap All in the top left corner. You can also tap a contact from the list, or tap the minus to the right of a name at the top to deselect a contact. Tap Done when you are finished selecting. In Step 2, you need to choose where to move your contacts to. Tap the SIM card that you would like to send the contacts to. Tap Continue on the pop-up. Then tap Move. Your contacts will then be moved. Tap OK. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.